Yamunati Ravanachari Devudangamanuma Kunjavihari Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devam Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudhiraye Nashta Prayasha Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nahishtiki. They remote to me. Okay, welcome everybody who is coming first time today. You are coming first time? You have come before? Okay, what do you do? Where? Nette physiotherapy. Delekete. Oh, your friend is here only one? Where do you stay? You can stay here, provided you follow this. Others are, I know everybody. You are coming first time? Yeah, come before. Where do you stay? कहाँ रहते हैं आप? ठीक है, this is very famous shloka of Bhagavad Gita. I have also put online because nowadays I do like that. Many people can join even they are not here. Okay, everybody can see the shloka. See, people have started joining. Sarvametam ritam manye yanmam vadasi keshava nahite bhagavan vyaktim vidurdeva nadanavaha sarvametam ritam manye yanmam vadasi keshava nahite bhagavan vyaktim vidurdeva nadanavaha sarvametadritam manye yanamam vadasi keshava nahite bhagavan vyakte vidurdeva nadanavaha sarvametavritam manye yanamam vadasi keshava nahite bhagavan vyaktim vidurdeva nadanavaha sarvametam ritam manye nahite bhagavan vyaktim vidurdeva nadanavaha. Yes, Mataji.
Sarvamidam manye yanmam vadasi kesava nahite bhagavan vyaktim vidurdeva nadanavaha.
Sarvam, all. Eta, these. Ritam, truth. Manye, accept. Yat, which. Mam, unto me. Vadasi, you tell. Keshava, O Krishna. Na, never. He, certainly. Te, your Bhagavan, O personality of God. Vyaktev, revelation. Viduhu, no. Devaha, the demigods. Na, nor. Danavaha, the demons. O Krishna, I totally accept as truth all that you have told me. Neither the gods nor demons, O Lord, know thy personality. O Krishna, I totally accept as truth all that you have told me. Neither the gods nor demons, O Lord, know thy personality. माता जी आप पढ़ेंगे?
Arjuna herein confirms that person of faithless and demonic nature cannot understand Krishna. He is not even known by the demigods. So, what to speak of the so-called scholars of this modern world? By the grace of the Supreme Lord, Arjuna has understood that the supreme truth is Krishna and that he is perfect one. One should therefore follow the path of Arjuna. He received the authority of Bhagavad Gita. He, as described in the fourth chapter, the Parampara system of disciplic succession for the understanding of Bhagavad Gita was lost. And therefore Krishna reestablished that disciplic succession with Arjuna because he considered Arjuna his intimate friend and a great devotee. Therefore, as stated in our introduction to
Gita Upanishad.
Gita Upanishad and Bhagavad Gita should be understood in the Parampara system. When the Parampara system was lost, Arjuna was again selected to
Rejuvenate.
Rejuvenate it. The acceptance of Arjuna of all that Krishna says that should be emulated. Then we can understand the essence of Bhagavad Gita, and then only we can understand that Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead.
Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmalitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurubhe Namaha Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prashtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashati Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare 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 Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So I welcome everybody, Sunday evening class. It's a very famous verse. Sarvametam ritam manye Yanamam madasi keshava Nahite bhagavan vyakte Vidurdeva nadanavaha. Jab Prabhupada ji Vrindavan mein the, when Prabhupada was in Vrindavan, at that time he wrote poems. There are a book of poems of Prabhupada, Flower of Nectar. Anybody has seen? Something like that. Prabhupada wrote a lot of poems. Prabhupada ji Vrindavan Bhajan, he wrote a lot of poems. Now, in that one of the poems, he said, Krishna, your Gita is so wonderful. Krishna ji, aapki Gita itni sundar hai, because usme ek hi line hai. Sarvam etam ritam manya. So that means Prabhupada chose this line as the most important line of Gita. ये जो श्लोक है ये गीता का सबसे important श्लोक. It is the most important श्लोक. Why? This is the way to read Gita. Sarvam etam. Not that I accept something and I reject something. कुछ स्वीकार किया, कुछ छोड़ दिया. That is not the way to understand Gita. Then there will be no advantage. There is the logic of Nyaya, no? Artha Kukuti Nyaya. We only wanted the golden egg and it did not feed the bird, है ना? So it will not work. We have to accept the whole Gita. Our problem is we lack faith. When we lack faith, we do not accept everything that Krishna says. We only accept in part. You understand this? Because we lack faith, we don't understand everything that Krishna says. We only accept some part of it. So this faith develops in different stages. पहला होता है कनिष्ठ अधिकारी, फिर होता है मध्यम अधिकारी, उत्तम अधिकारी. कनिष्ठ अधिकारी वो कुछ कुछ पालन करेगा, कुछ कुछ स्वीकार करेगा, बाकी छोड़ देगा. वो सब कुछ नहीं फॉलो करना चाहता. मध्यम अधिकारी, he will accept everything that Krishna says, but he doesn't have the vision now. Uttam adhikari means now he can see everything. Okay? There is different ways we can elaborate. It can be defined differently. Basically 3 stages: beginning stage, middle stage, topmost stage. It can be also defined in a very simple way also. But let us just go through this point. So development of faith is very important. When faith is developed, person will say, Sarvam etam ritam manye. Krishna, I accept everything that you say. This is for a faithful person. Sab aadmi ye nahi bolenge. Only few people can say that. Krishna, I accept everything that you say. Krishna ji, aap jo jo bole, main sab swikar kar. Allah hedta rahe, swikar marti nahi. That is Sarvam etam ritam manye. That is very rare, very rare. But, yeah.
For saying that we should just darshana. Who is telling the
Yeah. So this is very, very important. Many people have this idea. Their idea is that we can understand Krishna. अरे स्वामी जी, आप कैसे लोगों को कन्विंस करते हैं? Because कृष्ण जी को भी विश्व रूप दिखाना पड़ा था. But it is wrong. Arjuna, before seeing Vishwarupa, declares, I accept everything. बहुत लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं. स्वामी जी, आप प्रचार कैसे करते हो? क्यों? अरे भाई, कृष्ण को भी विश्वरूप दिखाना पड़ा था, तब जाके अर्जुन कन्विंस हुआ था. ऐसे लोग बोलते हैं. कुछ चमत्कार दिखाओ तो हम एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. लेकिन ये तो 10वां चैप्टर है. विश्वरूप का 11वां चैप्टर है. और 10वें चैप्टर में अर्जुन ने डिक्लेयर कर दिया है, I accept everything that you say before seeing. So actually प्रभुपाद जी बोलते थे, चमत्कार बेवकूफों के लिए होता है. बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति समझ के समझ जाता है, उसको चमत्कार की जरूरत नहीं है. Anyway, so now we come to the conclusion. So development of faith is very important. Okay? So sometimes when I was recently giving a class in a college. So one person started, class was on 6 philosophies of India. Shat Darshana. मालूम है आपको? 6 दर्शन है. किसी दिन क्लास लेंगे उसका, बहुत बड़ा क्लास हो, 4-5 घंटे का क्लास. जो 6 दर्शन है ना, न्याय गौतमा का, देन वैशेषिका, देन ये सारे जो षट दर्शना है. Somebody said, actually I can tell you in brief. Basically the first level of understanding is that we need some rules and regulation for discussing philosophy. And this rules and regulation also should become part of my life. I should become very rational. Many people say I'm rational. They're not rational. They watch TV, they watch movies. They're not rational. They're not rational. Particularly हम भक्ति मार्ग में हैं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना चाहिए. Because you're all worshipping God at home. घर में भगवान की पूजा कर रहे हैं. आपका घर मंदिर बन गया अभी. और मंदिर में आप जो कुछ भी करते हैं, आपको 100 गुना फायदा मिलता है, 100 गुना नुकसान भी होता है. नहीं? तो कुछ भी गड़बड़ करोगे मंदिर में, 100 गुना नुकसान हो जाएगा. नहीं? जैसे धाम जाते हैं, बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. धाम में 1000 गुना रहता है. धाम में कोई पुण्य करोगे, 1000 गुना आपको फायदा मिलता है. पाप के 1000 गुना ज्यादा पड़ता है. इसलिए धाम में कभी भी 3 दिन से ज्यादा नहीं रहना चाहिए बोलते हैं आचार्य लोग. क्यों? क्योंकि 3 दिन के बाद आदमी अपना नॉर्मल एक्टिविटी में जाता है. सिगरेट पीना, दारू पीना, सब उल्टा सब काम शुरू कर देता है. जो निकलो इधर से, डेंजरस. It's like a fire. You can cook some nice pakwan, you can burn yourself. Right? So everybody should be very, very careful, because many of you have temple at home. Be very, very careful not to do anything wrong. Okay? So anyway, so first thing is Nyaya. Nyaya, people say I'm logical, but he should be so logical that his life is also pure. He's not logical, no? It's not very logical, but he's sitting 8 hours cricket match. Kya logical aadmi? Ab do bekufo ke is watching and wasting his time. What is that? If you're logical, it should be everywhere implemented. If you're logical, you'll not do any kind of indriya bhoga. You'll be very reasonable. the person becomes very pure and he ends, because he stops papa karma, he stops his whole suffering. That is Nyaya of Gautama. It has 16 parts of it. We discuss that some other day. The next come Vaisheshika philosophy. This is Kannada. He says, okay, see, when you look at this word very logically, you understand there are two things. एक तो आपको जो दुनिया दिख रही है, लेकिन दुनिया जो दिख रही है इसके पीछे अदृश्य है एटम्स, एटॉमिक थ्योरी. ये वेद में ऑलरेडी आ चुकी है एटॉमिक थ्योरी. एंड द एटम का डेफिनेशन जो हमारा एटम उससे भी सूक्ष्म है, उसको आप और तोड़ नहीं सकते, बिकॉज हम जो भी देख रहे हैं उसको तोड़ पा रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स जो एटम डिवाइडेड बाय डिवाइड इवन स्मॉलर देन दैट. यू गॉट इट? You have something visible. Even atom, what you know, modern science, they are not visible to you. So what you are seeing visible, behind that is invisible atoms. That is Vaisheshika. Next theory. He also develops. Then next comes Kapila Sankhya. The Kapila Sankhya says that, okay, that's fine. There are invisible atoms, but consciousness is separate from matter. He introduces a big revolution, which science has not reached at all. Because now third step, you cannot understand. Oh my God. That is Sankhya. And understanding Sankhya, we can understand I am not body, I am spirit, soul, and I am different from this world. Then next comes of Patanjali Yoga. Next darshana, Patanjali. He says we do Ashtanga Yoga, we can revive this soul. Then after that, Jaimini comes with Karma Mimamsa. All the rituals जो हम पूजा पाठ करते हैं ना, सारे ritual, ये करने का, वो करने का, ये Jaimini का काम. फिर उसके बाद Vedavyasa brings Vedanta, understanding of Krishna, understanding of supreme personality of Godhead. उसके ऊपर अब अगर आप एक्चुअली न्याय भी पढ़ोगे ना गौतम का, आपको उसको पढ़ने में ही जिंदगी लग जाएगी. इतना बड़ा किताब. किसको हम प्रमाण ले सकते हैं, उसी पे उसने 20 चैप्टर बनाए. पहला चीज क्या प्रमाण है, एविडेंस. कैसे आप बोल सकते हैं एविडेंस है, उस पे 20 चैप्टर है. ये एविडेंस नहीं हो सकता, ये बहुत ही इतना रिगरस है, उसमें जिंदगी. हम तो कभी भी कृष्ण के चरण में नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. करेक्ट? वी आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट दैट प्रभुपाद ब्रिंग्स अस डायरेक्टली. अनदर वे वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड. अभी वो ना अन्नमया प्राणमया सुना है आपको? मालूम? थोड़ा एक मालूम होगा, एक बार रिवाइज कर देते हैं. See, mostly people have panchakosha, they say, 5 levels of understanding. माताजी मालूम? अन्नमया means खाना 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 खाना. जैसे ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हैं ना कुछ लोग, उनका जीवन वैसा ही होता है. When you travel in train compartment, hold only 2 activities: sleep and eat, eat and sleep, eat and sleep, eat and sleep, eat and sleep. Nothing more. Correct? Therefore, in temple also we should have some challenge, some vision, some preaching target. नहीं तो शाम को क्या खाएंगे, सुबह क्या खाएंगे, अच्छा नहीं लगा वो खाएंगे. That is अन्नमया. जैसे साउथ इंडियन आदमी को बोलो योर इडली, बहुत खुश हो जाएगा. बंगाली को बोलो यार रसगुल्ला, he'll be very happy. So food, all the time food is in his mind, nothing else. His chitta is that, and we are at that level. The next level is pranamaya. Once you eat, your stomach is satisfied. What is the next situation? I have to live, and I want to protect myself. He is only conscious of that. First thing, somehow eat. If not eat, you are going to die. Once your food is secured, then how can I live? Because khake, you have to live to digest that food. No. So living is important after that. I need to protect yourself. So he can protect his prana. That is his success of life. One level success is, if I get food, my life is successful. Pranamaya, he can protect himself. Then next is Manomaya. Now, ये दो चीज हो गया, आज person starts speaking philosophy. अभी होता है, we sometimes go to meet people. So if they who we meet people who are rich, very well placed, and they all have Manomaya. Because ये दो हो गया तो आदमी philosophy शुरू करता है. ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है. He is not even conscious, Baba. They are all students of Gita. Let me hear one word, at least something I can learn. वो हमसे सुनता है 5 सेकंड और बोलता है 5 घंटा. मैं नहीं. We keep sitting because we go for Krishna Seva to him. We are silent. And once we hear 5 hours, he will give some donation. But Manomaya. Manomaya means all the. तो जितना भी दुनिया में भी philosophers है, जितना भी, सब Manomaya. Western world तो all Manomaya. Soul तक कोई भी नहीं पहुंचा. Except Socrates, आत्मा का ज्ञान ही नहीं किसी को. Not only that, all the religions also in the world are all Manomaya. Today, all religions, including in India, they are practicing in Manomaya. है ना? किसी को आत्मा का ज्ञान कुछ नहीं है, है ना? If you go to somebody who's going to temple, they say, wait a minute, आपको मालूम है there is, we are not body, we are soul. How do you say it is true? क्या बोल रहा है? मनो में. Just get some peace, some philosophy has in his mind. That's it. But then after that is Vijnanamaya. Vijnanamaya means he is able to understand soul, different from the body. Vishesha Jnana, scientific knowledge he has. अभी क्या होता है, बड़े बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट में बोलते हैं ना साइंस, विज्ञान, इंग्लिश संस्कृत में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं विज्ञान. हम लोग उसको विज्ञान स्वीकार नहीं करते. उसमें विशेष क्या है? कुछ विशेष नहीं है. लकड़ी को कैसा टेढ़ा करना है, लोहे को कैसा टेढ़ा करना है, दैट इज नथिंग विशेष है. वो दैट इज अ स्किल, दैट इज एन आर्ट. ओके, इज देयर एनीथिंग विशेष? देयर इज नथिंग विशेष, है ना. जैसे कैसे गुलाब जामुन बनाना है, उसमें कुछ विशेष नहीं है. वो तो घर में भी सबको आता है ना. विशेष नहीं है. बट वी वांट टू से इट इज विशेष. नो, इट इज नॉट विशेष. It is ordinary knowledge. Vishesha Jnana starts when you say body and soul is separate. You know, college में lab में लिख देते ना, this is Vigyan. No Vigyan. It is Gyan only. Vigyan is, yeah, Vigyan is when the knowledge of the soul starts. And then when somebody is further elevated, he understands Supreme Lord and he enjoys relation to Supreme Lord. That is called Anandamaya. Okay? These are different levels of understanding. Now, Arjuna is in the highest platform, Anandamaya platform. He is in so much happiness in understanding Krishna. And he declares, because how do you declare this? Sarvam etam ritam manye yadavadasi Krishna, I accept every word that you say. This is so wonderful. Correct? This is how we have to be. Now, why Arjuna accepts Krishna as the supreme authority? Why does he do that? There are three reasons. How do you say Krishna is God? सबसे पहले शास्त्र प्रमाण. गुरु साधु शास्त्र में सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्या होता है? शास्त्र. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है शास्त्र. करेक्ट? शास्त्र प्रमाण declares Krishna is supreme God. Everywhere it is declared. All the Vedas it is declared, Puranas it is declared, every Mahabharata is declared, Ramayana, Krishna is the supreme Lord. Then next pramana we get, he is accepted by all the acharyas. Because you may say this is gold, but experts should say this is gold. No? Then it is important. Correct? So all the great acharyas like Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Vedavyasa, Narada, everybody accepts Krishna as supreme Lord. Then another reason is that Krishna did activity that only God can do. उनका लीला ऐसा थी खाली भगवान कर सकते हैं. ऑर्डिनरी आदमी नहीं कर सकता. बहुत आसान है बोलना भगवान है, ठीक है, उठाओ ना, उठाओ गोवर्धन जरा देखे तो कैसे भगवान है. हम भी देखें. बोलना बहुत आसान है, but you have to show activity that only God can do. One by one, Krishna के full life, Leela Purushottam, Krishna shows activity that only God can do. Therefore, he is God. In fact, in the previous shloka, what is the previous shloka? Param Brahma, Param Dhamam, Pavitram, Paramam Bhavam, Purusham Shashvatam Divyam, Adidevam Ajam Vibhum, Ahustva Rishaya Sarve Devasti Narada Sada. Okay? Vaso Swayameva Praviti. Yeah. He say, hey, not only Krishna, you are Supreme Lord, and not only you are telling me, Swayameva Praviti me, but also this has been spoken by Asita, Devala, and Vyasa, and Narada. So all the great sages are saying you are Lord. So I accept it. You cannot blindly नहीं accept कर. ऐसे flattery नहीं करे. जैसे दोस्त को बोलते हैं ना कभी-कभी encourage करने के लिए. ऐसे नहीं. He's actually accepting. So we should also take the steps. And in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna declares, every word we accept, then Krishna is Supreme Lord. कहाँ पे बोलते हैं कृष्ण जी I am Supreme Lord? कृष्ण जी बोलते हैं अहम सर्वस्य प्रभवो, सब कुछ मेरे से ही आ रहा है. So he is the Supreme Lord. Then Krishna says अहम आदि भी देवा नाम, मैं सारे देवताओं का स्रोत हूँ. Krishna says mata paratarana anyat, there is nothing higher to me. Krishna says saradharman parityajya mam ekam sharanam vraja. ठीक है ना? तो ये सब चीजों को देखेंगे तो it's very very clear Krishna is the Supreme Lord because he has declared so. So Arjuna said, you are also declaring to me, acharyas accept this, shastra accept, and every word you say Krishna I accept. So if you develop this faith, this requires strong faith. Not easy to make such a statement. I accept every you say. This requires strong faith. And this faith, development comes by following rules and regulations. Okay? When you take shelter of Vaishnavas, shelter of the Acharya, okay? And then Krishna slowly reveals. ऐसा आसान नहीं है. बोलना तो ठीक है, but एक sentiment हो जाएगा. कृष्णा जो भी आप बोलते हैं मैं सब accept करता हूँ. This is easy to speak. But to develop faith, जैसे it is said, अंतकाले च मामेवा स्मरणं मुक्ता कलेवरम, है ना, लिखा है ना शास्त्र में, 8th chapter में. अंतकाले, at the time of death, whatever you think, you get a body accordingly. कितना हमको ध्यान रखना है, एक भी इच्छा दिल में रहेगी जो इंद्रिय भोग की है, दोबारा जन्म लेना पड़ेगा. मैं कितना बारी बताया, भरत महाराज को कृष्ण ने माफ नहीं किया था. भरत महाराज का दिल बहुत पवित्र था, उसमें कोई कुकर्म नहीं था. थोड़ा एक हिरण के लिए स्नेह आ गया था, उसको दोबारा जन्म लेना पड़ा. राइट? Small mistake. He developed little attachment for a deer to take birth again. So don't think I'm chanting Hare Krishna, I'm going to Krishna. Don't think all this nonsense. You have to be very sincere and serious. We have to be very sincere and serious. Even a smallest of desire, we have to take birth again in this world. We have to be very serious in spiritual life. Correct? We should not, Prabhupada says, process is very serious. Don't make joke out of it. It's very simple process, very bad. We should don't make a joke out of it. It's very sincerely practiced. And then, if you sincerely practice, then what happened? Guru Krishna pleased. Guru Krishna prasade paye, bhakti leta beej. As you get the mercy of Guru and Krishna, then our faith start developing. And as the faith start developing, your faith is cultivated. ये विश्वास कोई एक दिन का चीज नहीं है. Suddenly I get faith. It doesn't happen in one day. It takes time. Just like आपको हम अभी देख रहे हैं, बहुत टाइम से देखा नहीं है. I have not. ठीक है? Now you may be in hurry somewhere. You will say, sir, ये सारा मेरा पैसा ऐसा पकड़ो, मैं आता हूँ आधे घंटे में. No, you don't know me. Faith takes time. But if you have some good friend, you may give everything to him. Please take. We have full trust in him. Correct? But it takes time, or it happens in 1 second. It takes time. So similarly, our faith in the Lord also develops in time. Many people, whole life do not develop faith in God. Whole life, no faith. Maybe they do ritually things, but they don't develop faith because they don't follow the process. You have to follow. Okay? There is something called practical faith. You understand? What is it called? Practical faith. We need something called practical faith. It's like you go to barber. नाई के पास जाते हो, आप बैठ जाते हो, आपके हाथ अंदर है, वो गला काट सकता है. But you have a practical. You're not having blind faith. What are you having? Practical faith. So in spiritual life also, Arjuna is putting faith in Krishna, not blindly. He accepting Krishna, the Supreme Lord, not blindly. अंधानी विश्वास कर रहा हो. अरे बाबा, कृष्ण की जो लीला है खाली भगवान कर सकते हैं. सारे आचार्य लोग स्वीकार करते हैं कृष्ण भगवान है. सारे शास्त्र में लिखा हुआ है कृष्ण भगवान है. खुद बोल रहे हैं मैं भगवान हूं, इसलिए स्वीकार कर. He is not blind. Agree? So when you put a practical faith and you follow what Krishna is saying, then gradually your faith will develop. Faith develops on faith. Too much doubting also becomes a disease. है ना? यमुनाचार्य says, कृष्णा इतना सुंदर आपका लीला, सारे शास्त्र में प्रमाण दिया है आप ही भगवान है, तब भी ये लोग क्यों डाउट करते हैं, मेरे समझ नहीं आता. है ना? वो तो बहुत बड़े आचार्य हैं. They are having enjoying service to Krishna. ठीक है? So we should therefore take an opportunity. मनुष्य जीवन में there is an opportunity. We should take opportunity to serve Krishna. And then what will happen? If you do this gradually, as you develop in this, our heart will become purified. And as our heart is becoming purified, our faith will develop. And then we will be able to make this statement. Sarvam etam ritam manye yadavadasi Keshava. It is not easy to make this statement. The statement requires, somebody told Prabhupada, Prabhupada, I want to surrender to you fully. Prabhupada said, begin. Begin. ऐसा नहीं है मैं टोटली कृष्ण को सरेंडर करूंगा. हाँ, वो बोलना आसान है, शुरुआत करो अभी. बहुत कुछ है, बहुत अभी टाइम लगेगा इसमें. ठीक है? To actually, this is the perfection. When somebody becomes pure devotee, therefore it is said, Kanishtadhikari can fall down. He will follow Krishna for some time, then he will do something that Krishna does not like. That is Kanishtadhikari. अभी कृष्ण का कृपा नहीं मिला इसको. because there is no protection. Madhyamadhikari, so but nothing to lose, nothing to feel sad, continue. If Krishna is pleased, he will give protection. Cry in front of Krishna, chant in front of Krishna, become sincerely serve Krishna. So protection, once protection comes, Madhyamadhikari will not fall down. ये नहीं आज जप किया कल जप नहीं किया, आज रेगुलेटरी प्रिंसिपल फॉलो किया कल नहीं किया, अभी कनिष्ठ अधिकारी हो. करेक्ट. मध्यमाधिकारी मीन्स ही विल नॉट फॉल डाउन. नाउ ही गॉट कृष्ण का कृपा मिल गया, अभी उसको सुरक्षा मिल गया. उत्तम अधिकारी कोई चांस ही नहीं है फॉल डाउन का, उसको तो दर्शन हो गया भगवान का. ही इज फुली अब्सॉर्ब्ड इन कृष्ण. करेक्ट. सो फेथ डेवलप्स ग्रेजुअली in as we practice Krishna consciousness. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has very kindly in Kali Yuga, he says, Namna Makari Bahuda Nija Sarva Shakti Tatrar Pita Niyamita Smarane Nakala Eta Dishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamapi Durdev Idasham Ihajani Nanuraga. He said, my Lord, I am so unfortunate. I have no faith in your holy name. Kali Yuga mein naam hi aadhar hai. Correct? Namna Makari Bahuda Nija Sarva Shakti. All the Shakti of the Lord is there in the holy name. But I am so unfortunate, I have no taste for chanting your holy name, no raga. Okay? So if you can begin with this, Usaha, Nishya, Dhairya, very enthusiastically, Usaha, Nishya, very confidently, and very patiently. If you can, Bhagwan ka naam agar jap karenge, Utsaha se, confidence से और थोड़ा धैर्य रख के, बिकॉज हर चीज के लिए टाइम लगता है, तो डेफिनेटली हमारा कृष्ण का कृपा मिलना शुरू होगा. और विश्वास तब बनता है जब कृष्ण का कृपा मिलता है. ठीक है, ये बहुत बारी समझाया था. जैसे आप बोलिए कि मेरे को MRPL में जॉब मिला है, ठीक है, आपका पासबुक दिखाओ, पासबुक में सैलरी होना चाहिए MRPL कंपनी से, तब मानेंगे. तो कोई भी बोल सकता है MRPL में जॉब मिला है. You understand? Everybody can say I got a job. So similarly, you can say I am devotee of Krishna. Passbook दिखाओ. That means prove to me you got mercy of Krishna. और कृष्ण का कृपा अभी मिला है, तो सब कुछ लक्षण होना चाहिए, है ना? Nectar Devotion explains some lakshana, and one of the lakshana is that he gets some faith at the lotus feet of Krishna. विश्वास मिलता है. ये भी मजाक नहीं है, इसके लिए सेवा करना पड़ता है. Correct? You cannot see Krishna is adhokshaja. सवै पुंसा पराधर्मा यथा भक्ति अधोक्षजे अहितुकी अप्रतिहता ययात्म सुप्रसिद्धति. यही असली धर्म है, परो धर्म है, बाकी कैतव धर्म नहीं. असली धर्म जो होता है उसमें अगर आप उसको पालन करेंगे, आत्मा सुप्रसिद्धति, पूरी रूप से आत्मा खुश हो जाती है, वो असली धर्म होता है. करेक्ट? सवै पुंसा परो धर्म. परो मीन्स परोपकार, सबसे बड़ा धर्म. यत भक्ति अधोक्षजे. ये नहीं एग्जाम पास करा दिया भगवान बड़े शक्ति, ये सब दिस इज नॉट धर्म. परो धर्म इज यत भक्ति अधोक्षजे, अहेतुकी. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ your practice it has to be ahetuki. Ahetuki means without any cause. There is no cause. Apratihata, without any break. ये नहीं सुबह साधना हो गई या माला फेंक दो, बकवास. ये अभी आपको अभी भक्ति समझ नहीं आई. 24 घंटा भगवान का सेवा करनी है ना. 24 hours he wants to serve Krishna. That is bhakti. अब अहेतुकी, without any cause. ये नहीं मेरे को क्या फायदा मिलेगा, अभी भक्ति नहीं है, वो भुक्ति है. Bhakti means I am whole day thinking, I am so fortunate at the lotus feet of Acharya and Radha Krishna. How can I make them happy? ये नहीं कि मेरे को क्या मिल रहा है, वो भक्ति नहीं है. That is something else. I am thinking of the Lord, how they are situated. Whole day I am thinking, Prabhupada had so many great desires. Acharya had desire. If I can fulfill one desire of Prabhupada had so many desires. Correct? If you meet in ISKCON also, जो बड़े सन्यासी लोग हैं, they always tell only this. Prabhupada told me to do this. Can you help me? That's all they say. They always meditate like that. Prabhupada, when he was asked what we are doing, no, my guru told me to do this. That's all. So we should also, whatever you do, always it should not be any self-initiative. Self-initiative means ahankara. कुछ भी करते हो, it should not be self-initiative. Self-initiative means it is out of your pride. It is out of your ahankara. आपका घमंड से हो रहा है. You prove who told you to do that. आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, प्लीज मेरे को दिखाओ किसने आपको बोला करने के लिए. अगर आप बोले नहीं मेरे को मन करा, I want to do it, then it is not correct. Always show who told you to do. So Prabhupada said that, very nice. Prabhupada said, I should do that, you should do this. I'm trying to fulfill Prabhupada's desire. Then you will get Shakti of Krishna. All Shakti of Krishna will come. Correct? No, I want to do it, then it is Ahankara. That is pride. That is waste. That will not last. That is not. Yeah. So if we develop in a proper attitude to ahetuki, without any cause, apratihata, without any break, then that will lead to spiritual advancement. That will give you spiritual darshana, spiritual happiness. And as it develops, what is going to happen? Our spiritual life will slowly become perfect. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki.